Across centuries, the House of Rothschild have wielded unprecedented dominance, blending familial solidarity and relentless profit-seeking. From modest roots, they rise to influence international finance, wars, and politics, and become the most formidable banking dynasty of their age. The Rothschild banking dynasty has an unlikely origin, an 18th century ghetto in Frankfurt, Germany. Like many of his time, Mayor Amschel Rothschild can't own land or farms due to his race. So, he follows his family's path and becomes a textile trader.
The ghetto was not very encouraging. Shops spilled heaps of second-hand clothes and soiled household goods into the alley. Frankfurt Jews are barred from farming, from handicrafts, even from dealing in nobler goods such as weapons, silk, or fresh fruit.
Mayor Rothschild quickly grows discontented with trading textiles and becomes eager to explore other ventures, ones that offer higher profit margins. He soon discovers that trading gold coins and antiques could be much more lucrative. Mayor Rothschild quickly establishes himself as a shrewd trader and uncovers a brilliant strategy known today as front-running.
He worked as a court agent, much like today's stockbrokers. His main client was Prince William of Hesse-Kassel. Whenever William wanted to purchase gold coins, he would ask Mayor Rothschild to obtain them from the market. What Rothschild did was this. He would first buy the coins using borrowed money, then sell them to Prince William, effectively acting as both the buyer and the seller. This practice is known as front-running in modern terms. In doing so, he profited twice, once from the 8% commission fee, and also from front-running Prince William.
By 1782, Mayor Rothschild has amassed a colossal fortune and earns the position as the investment manager for Prince William's vast wealth. But for Mayor Rothschild, it's just the beginning. To truly create a strong footing